How to recover Snapchat streaks. So if you want to recover your Snapchat streaks, then first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application. And now let me tell you one thing, that if you don't have Snapchat Premium, then you can't recover your streaks. But I have another option. You can simply go to your profile, which is on the upper left corner, and now you can go to settings, which is on the upper right corner. Scroll down. Now go to I need help, and here scroll down and you will find contact us. Simply tap on contact us, and here choose I lost my snap streak, and then scroll down and here tap on the second option which says I'm having trouble restoring my snap streak. And then if you scroll down, here you will have still need help. Simply tap on S. Now if you scroll down, here you will have a form, so you have to fill up this form. So to fill, you have to simply first choose a reason, and here you have to choose the second reason. Scroll down and you have to enter your username of your Snapchat, and then you have to enter your email address and then your mobile number. So make sure you enter the exact email address and the phone number, and then you have to enter the date of attempted snap streak restoration, but that was optional, and your friend's username, and then your snap streak length, and here under the description you have to verify something that will be generated by CAPTCHA, and after that you can simply tap on submit, which is on the bottom of your screen. So that's it. That's the only way to restore your snap streak on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.